Welcome back to another amazing week at Mountain View Middle School. It is September 23rd and we have some events to tell you about this week. Let's start with some of our club meetings on campus.
Our esports team has started and the season begins for Rocket League, Splatoon, and Mario Kart. If you want to join the esports program, see Mr. V in room A3. You do not have to be in the esports class to join the club. All are welcome to join. See Mr. V for more information and practices about tournaments.
One of the amazing clubs that we have on our campus is our Mountain View Christian Club that meets every Wednesday after school in B7. Come out and meet new people, grow in your faith, and participate in fun activities. For more information, join the Google Classroom with the code below.
All right, Panthers, the Art Club is hosting its first digital cooking night tomorrow, September 24th at 5 p.m. Learn how to cook chicken Alfredo and Tall House chocolate chip cookies with us and whip up some amazing foods to impress your family. Art Club is also inviting you to grab tickets at B11 for our upcoming field trip. We are doing a problem-solving escape room field trip October 16th. Tickets will be available starting today. Tickets are $40 for each student. We are also doing an LA Cultural Arts field trip on October 30th. Learn about the art history and architecture with us, along with diverse cultures in LA. Tickets will be available starting October 6th and continue through October 17th. A lot of art events happening. Check out the Google Art Club page for more information.
Odyssey of the Mind is going to be starting up. The group competes in fun and creative competitions against other middle schools from the state and possibly around the world. This is a great team to join to have fun and try something new.
With the first progress report ready, heading out, make sure you are staying on top of your grades. If you need help in any subject, make sure to join the tutoring program after school on Tuesday and Thursday in the library. All students are welcome to join. There is no need to sign up. We have tutoring for all subjects and grade levels.
Panthers, you may have been looking for the student store. It has been moved to Portable 6 on the B side of campus. Before you leave campus, come and support your ASB by getting some snacks before you head home.
We hope that you enjoyed the Hispanic Heritage Spirit Week last week. Remember, we'll have a ballet folklorico coming to Mountain View. For more information, check with the counselors in front of the office for permission slips. Hispanic Heritage Month continues until October 15th. Hopefully you are learning about the great things Hispanics have done in history and the greatness of the culture.
Hey Panthers, we have a big goal to reach this school year. We want to reach 1,000 subscribers on the school YouTube page. We're at 300 currently. Please click the like and subscribe button to get all the latest information about what is happening on campus, as well as watch videos from the esports team competitions in Rocket League, Mario Kart, Splatoon, and more. Help us reach our goal and get past 1,000 subscribers.
Remember, Panthers, to be a leader on campus in our community by demonstrating pride. Model behaviors of perseverance, responsibility, integrity, determination, and excellence. Have a great week, Panthers. Panther Pride, Panther Nation, Panther Proud.